1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, mic test, mic test. There's a mic test because this is a new vlog about a new microphone by Saramonic, the Blink Me. We're gonna test it out with some parkour, as always, every Sunday here in London. All right, shall we talk about this new Blink Me? Basically, we have a 2.4 gigahertz smart wireless microphone system. It's a dual microphone system, so you can use it on 2 different people at the same time, which is great. As many other microphones by Saramonic I reviewed, go and check them out at the links up here. I would say the main feature here, the new feature of these microphones is the touch screen. So the display is completely touchable. You can change the settings through that. And this is literally the microphone. So that's my transmitter. The receiver is on top of my camera right now, which is also the charger for the 2 transmitters. All the devices have a touch screen display, including the receiver, so not just the transmitters, but also the receiver as a touch screen monitor. I will start with some unboxing, and first of all you will find this nice Pelican case, which, guys, you know now, I love Pelican cases or padded cases in general. It makes it just so much easier to carry it around, and it's tiny. Look at this. Everything you need is in here. We're gonna check it out. Of course, you have 2 transmitters and we have 1 receiver. Then we get a magnetic clip with cold shoe, which goes on the receiver, so you can plug it onto your camera. And you will also get 2 different magnetic clips for the transmitters. Clipped. And that's what I'm using right now on this microphone. Then we get a small drawstring bag full of stuff. We have a charging cable, USB to USB-C. We got 2 furry windshields to plug onto the microphone. A smartphone adapter with the cold shoe, so you can potentially attach the receiver on top of the adapter and use it for your smartphone. And that's another great feature of this microphone. It's very versatile. You can use it with bigger cameras, DSLRs, mirrorless, but also with smartphones and action cameras. We also get 4 different magnets to use under your t-shirt and plug your microphone into it again. So very similar to the clipped ones, but yeah, this is just a magnet to go through your clothing. Let's go through some of the features of the microphone. And first of all, your transmitter has a built-in microphone, which is this tiny dot right there. We've got stereo and mono mode, as always, so you can split the 2 tracks on left and right channel, and that makes it easier in post-production during your video editing process, especially if you have 2 people talking on 2 different microphones. But of course, you can choose the mono to have only 1 track. Another feature is the NR button on the transmitter, which is the noise reduction button, and it says it all. It tries to reduce the ambient environment noises. Noise reduction is on now. There's actually some noises in the background. I don't know if it helps. I'm gonna turn it off. Let's check the difference. And now I'm without same ambient noise. Any difference? Can you hear the voice changing in any way? Other cool feature is the onboard recording. Basically, on the transmitter, you can actually record a track, and that's a safety track for you. So you can enable it through the actual device. So on the onboard recording, so what you can record in the actual device is 22 hours of audio at 16 bit. That's a lot. If you want to increase the quality to 24 bits, you can then reach 15 hours of recording. So this device comes with an 8 gigabytes in terms of memory to record your audio. All the devices have magnets at the back, which makes it easier not just for the actual clips to attach to yourself, but what if you want to attach it to anything with metal, for example? You are, I don't know, in your house, you want to stick it to a fridge, you can, and you can just use it as a directional mic, more or less. So you don't have to have it on you, but somewhere close to you, and you can simply attach it to any surface, metal surface. You can adjust the gain of the input either on the transmitter and the receiver, so you can really customize your audio levels as you wish. The safety channel basically records a mono track at -6 decibels on the right channel of your track in case of distortion and clipping during your recordings. You also have the option in the menu to mute or unmute your transmitters. To talk about some of the specs of the actual devices, like measurements and weight. In terms of weight, the transmitters are 30 grams and the receiver, it's a bit bigger and it weighs 70 grams. Measurements, the transmitter is 47 millimeters by 12.5. The receiver is 56.6 by 56.6 by 25.2 millimeters. Battery and battery life, we can charge the devices in 2.5 hours and they last more or less from 6 to 9 hours according on the mode you're using your microphone at. And that's all for this review. I hope you enjoyed it. It's a cool microphone, completely different from what I've seen before in terms of definitely the shape, and also the magnetic clips are quite interesting. So check it out, go on the Saramonic website, subscribe for more, and let me know what you think about the microphone, if it sounds good, because I haven't heard it yet. So you're literally hearing it before I do in studio. I hope to see you soon. Thanks for watching. Take care.